Is that a magnifying glass in your pants, or do you have a colostomy bag?
Oh, this? It's a magnifying glass.
I have fire. We did it!
What's up, guys? Kylie Myers here, and today we are starting a new series where I am going to be watching YouTube videos and I will try to learn a new skill just by watching the video. And just to see if I can do it, see how easy it is. And today I'm going to be trying to start a fire with basic tools and hands. Hey guys, Kylie Myers here. I want to let you guys know that I have started a YouTube membership. And if you want to see the Cooking with Kylie videos and all the other kind of like jiggly stuff, you can just click join under any video and that's where you see all that. And also, we just picked random videos. I'm sure there might be better videos. There's definitely probably worse videos to choose from, but we just kind of randomly picked them. So we'll just see how this goes. And I will have a link to the original video in the comments. Okay, and guys, in the comments section, please leave me comments and let me know what kind of things you would like for me to try to learn how to do, and I would love to have some of your input. Let's get started. Poison?
Right now.
Snake! We're gonna do snake catching today. Is it a poison one? Can I catch it?
I like came out here to start filming and it
Oh,
jumps
it's
up
big. Oh, it is. It's mad.
Yeah,
you
almost
sure
step
it's
right
big?
there.
No, where was it?
Right there.
This whole time?
Yeah.
You did pin us that good enough. You're way too far back.
Hold on. It's hard to get them with. Oh, gross! Did you hear him?
Uh-huh.
Farted.
He farted. This regular Crocodile Dundee.
That's wild.
Grab it. Grab by the...
I'm scared.
Don't step on it.
You can cook this up once you start a fire.
Oh, he's...
Oh, oh, oh.
Let him. I'm gonna let him go.
You hold his tail.
Yeah. No, he's not poisonous, right, at all. Oh my god. Oh, it's pooping. This. Oh my god. Okay, now we should set him free. How do I let him go?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay guys, we are going to start watching the first video. It's going to tell me one way that I can try to make fire. I'm going to try to do it. Okay, so now I'm out here and I'm looking for a rock that I can make into a tool I need a sharp edge so that I can carve into the wood that I'm going to use to make a hand drill. Okay, so here we have 2 rocks. One is already kind of sharp, and when you're finding your rocks, you need for it to make a little ping sound when you hit them together. So I'm going to try to make this an actual sharp edge by hitting them together. Well, that's pretty it's getting kind of sharp. Rock tool situation was not really working out for me. I could not break one into a sharp enough piece, so I'm going to use a tool here, and now I'm looking for the right pieces of wood. Apparently this is not going to work because it's too hard. So, what are we doing, you might ask? We're making a tinder bundle to catch our ember in. Yes, oh yes. Okay guys, so now we have made a little bundle of tinder here. I've got my semi-flat board here to set my spindle on. Spin it. So yeah, don't touch this on the ground was the rule. Now we're gonna make our divots here. Okay, so we're using our foot as support here. We have our little piece of wood to catch our amber, our non-existent amber. We've flattened our stick here, our spindle. Now I'm gonna say this primitive way to make fire is a fail.
I'll try.
My hands are wore out.
Yeah.
We have our, my assistant Harrison here. He's gonna now try.
You just got it warmed up, huh?
Oh yeah, oh my body. Ooh, it's aching. My muscles. So guys, we are now looking for a stick to use as our bow for the bow drill. We've just got to walk around out here in nature and look for, you know, just a perfect random stick laying around. So follow me as we go through nature. This one looks like it could be perfect. Must have just fell out of this tree. We'll use this one. This here is our spindle. This is our spindle. It's the same one I used for the last one, but we've made it have more of a point on each end. We're going to use our same stick here, and then you have another piece to hold on top, and you have to carve out a little divot in here. So that'll go right like this. Here is our beautiful bow. And our cordage. Around there. And away we go. No, no, this is not easy at all. This is really, really, really difficult. Okay, so this is not an easy way to make fire from watching a YouTube video. Okay, fail number 2. This time we are going to try to make a fire with a flint and steel. And I'm going to try to do it like the video says. Looks pretty easy. We'll find out. I've got my tinder bundle here and it is dry. And let's do it. My hands are tired. How is it not catching?
You were doing such like a good run right there too.
Okay, so I'm gonna say this is unsuccessful. I could see how it could work. Got frustrated, almost gave up. Gonna give it one more try and just see how it works. Oh, damn. Oh, I can see it burning. I'm about to give up again. Okay. And there she is. There she is. We have fire. We have fire. My eye look big? Now we are going to try the old magnifying glass and sun. Okay, so this I don't have a video for, but I've heard about it, and apparently it's really easy. So we're going to try this one. So here we go. Let me just show you. Let's catch the sun. Ah, there she is. So you want this bright part here to kind of get really bright and centered in. Oh, and we already have smoke. Okay, since we're really taking this one serious and I see full potential in it, I'm gonna put my hair up so I don't catch it on fire. And I have my sunglasses on because it's very bright. It's very bright. Let's zero it in.
I saw some smoke.
I smell the smoke. I see the smoke. I see more smoke. Do you see all that smoke? How do I know it's lit?
You see flame.
This is the easiest and fastest way. Like, it's already... Should probably be on the ground, like, nurturing this, huh?
Flint should be doing a pretty good job right now.
Flame. We have a flame. I have fire. We did it.
Don't smother it.
There she is. We have fire. We did it. That's awesome. Yeah. Well, that's awesome. Just hanging out with my fire. It's out, but we did it. Okay, so it did rain last night, apparently a lot of rain. So that could be why the other forms of fire starting did not work very well, because everything is a little bit damp still. But regardless, the magnifying glass is number one, tried and true. Thanks for watching.
Is that a magnifying glass in your pants, or are you just happy to see me?
Oh, it's a magnifying glass. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the links for merch that are going to be linked below, and check me out on Instagram at Kindly, and also I'm on that other website at Kindly Myers.